Okay, so again, today is calculator day. Depending on what calculator you have, they should all be set to degrees. All right, so on your TI-83 solar, right? If you take a look at the top, right above that zero, it says DEG. What does DEG stand for?
Degree.
Degree. Yeah. All right. If you have a fancy calculator, Mr. Joshua, go to mode. If you hit mode, and make sure the degree is set. Yay? Okay. Does anyone not know how to put degree on the calculator? Usually it's the first thing. So if you see DEG, you're in degrees. Okay. Later on in chapter 3, we'll finish up the rest of this chart and talk about radians. All right, we'll get there later. But today, it's just degrees. Okay? So, typing these things in, okay? Typing these things in depends on which calculator you use. So, write the notes for the calculator that you're going to use. Okay, if you're using this calculator, the first thing you type in is the value, the value, aka the degree that you want to find, and then you hit the function. By function, I mean sine, cosine, or tangent. So if you're going to find 68, the tangent is 68 degrees, you type in 68 first and then hit tan. Okay? Josh is a little bit different. First, he has to pick the function, sine, cos, or tan, on your calculator. You see sine, cos, and tan on your calculator? Yeah. Okay? P.S. If you take your cell phone and switch it, like if you don't have a calculator at home, switch it like lengthwise, you'll see sine, cosine, tangent also. So, yeah, everyone should have a calculator. Then enter the value. Okay, aka the degree. And then you have to close the parentheses and hit enter for you, Josh. Okay? All right, this is super easy. Here we go. Again, all of these degrees are not on your unit circle. 10, 68, 43. First of all, you got to change that to decimals. Yeah, you got to change that to decimals. How do you change 43 minutes to decimals? Divide by 60. So if you divide that by 60, then this is just tan of 68 point. Give me 4 decimal places. Okay. So 7167-ish. 666, so we round up to 67. Do we agree? Okay. So here we go. To find the approximate value of that, for those of you who have this little calculator, you type in the value first, so 68.7167, and just hit 10. Ta-da! Josh, you go backwards, do it 10, and then put it in parentheses, hit enter. Did we get the same thing? Yes, so the answer is, what is it? 2.567. That's the value. Okay? I know. It's so easy. Cosine of 192.622. So, that's already done. True? Okay. So on your calculator, it's already in decimals. So 192.622. It's cosine. It's negative. Why is cosine negative at 196.22? That's how you know you're right. You're in quadrant 3. Cosine's negative. It should be a negative answer. Yes. Negative 0.9758, right? Negative 0.9758. Miss Fleck, how many do we have to round to? I like 4, because 4 decimal places is going to give you the least rounding error. If you only stop at 1 or 2, you're going to get a lot of rounding error, especially when we use this to calculate stuff. Kai? It's good. What's up? 1. No, actually, I got 0.9758. Did you not? Oh, this one should have a 1. Thank you, sir. Yeah, okay. Okay. All right. Here we go. Cosecant. Miss Fleck, there's no cosecant button in your calculator. There is. How do you do it? No, but that's so close. Thank you for pointing that out, though. I love it. I love it. All right, here we go. The inverse of sine does not mean secant. The inverse is the angle. So what we're going to do later on, we're going to go backwards, okay? Where I give you a value, 0.25 something, and to tell me what the angle is, you hit the inverse of sine. But, right, but cosecant of that is equal to the flip of sine, all right? Cosecant is the flip of sine, right? So to find the cosecant of this thing, this is the same thing as 1 over the sine of 35.8471 degrees. That's the same thing. The question is, how do we type that into your calculator? Josh, is easy. You just type that in. Yeah? So you just do 1 divided by sine, da, 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 da. Okay? Josh, go ahead and do that. And the rest of us, we just have to figure out which is the right way to do it. Yes, love. Number 2, let me scroll up a little bit. I got negative 0.9758. True? Okay. All right. So, since it's 1 over that, yay. Yeah, since it's 1 over that, we have to figure out how to type it into the calculator. So, there are a couple of ways, a couple of choices that you can do it. Josh, what was your answer? Because I know Josh's answer is going to be right. What is it? 0278. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's right. The rest of us, though, what did you get?
I got 1.707.
1.707? Let me double check. Let me double check. It depends on how you write it.
I got that fancy.
Okay. Whoa. Okay. Yeah, it's 1.7 something something. Okay, so it should be. Sorry about that.
Got a lot of that.
Yeah. Did you find out what you did, Josh? Okay. There you go. Wrong. Delete. Okay. It's 1.7. What is it? Yeah. 076. All right. Now the question is, how do we get that on the dinky calculator? All right. You didn't press the thing. That's it. Okay. So for those of you who got it on the calculator, what was the step? Yeah, for the dinky one. Yes, love. Okay. So how about this? For the rest of us that have this one, I'm pretty sure it's 1 divided by the number. So 35.847 1 sine and then equals. There it is. Okay, let's write those steps down. Let's write those steps down. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Whoop. All right. So the steps on the calculator. Okay. Is you hit 1, then divided by, then sine. Oh no, the value. Yeah, the number. Whoa. Whoa. Go away. What is this? What is this, a joke? Here we go, please. Okay, 1 divided by, then you put the value, then hit sine, but don't forget to hit equals, right? So 1 divided by the value, sine, then hit equals to get there. Yay? Okay. All right. How are we going to do secant? Yeah. 1 divided by the cosine of negative 287. Sorry, not 2.87. Right? So let's see. See if this works. Here we go. Clear. Okay. 1 divided by 287 negative, right? Cosine equals, hey. Is that right? 3 point something something? Yes! Yes. 3.4203. Yeah, you have to hit equals. So you should get 3.4203. Okay? It's good. You got something else. You have to hit equals. Okay, let's try it again. So 1 divided by, then 2.287 negative cosine. Oh, yeah, cosine equals. There you go. There you go. Okay? All right. Here we go. Look at the back of that page. If you are not one of the 5 people working on the test today, you're going to be practicing that. We'll go over the answers just before you leave. If you get done early, then start on the assignment on the yellow sheet. But we're going to go over those answers approximately 20. So about 120, we'll go over those answers. All right? Here we go. Hang on, Logan. I'll be right there. All right.